So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how to add TikTok leads to HubSpot automatically. So if you are also collecting the lead details using TikTok, this automation can be really helpful for you, because in this video we are automatically going to add TikTok leads detail into HubSpot CRM, and yes, for that we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to show you this automation which I have already created, where whenever we're going to receive a new lead from TikTok, automatically a new contact will be created in HubSpot CRM. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free into your HubSpot CRM, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached right over here, which is RITYT. You can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and this discount coupon code is only valid for yearly and lifetime deals of Pabbly Connect, so you can check it out. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, then you can definitely purchase Pabbly Connect using this discount coupon code. Now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for TikTok lead generation, and then for the event we have to select it as new lead and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between TikTok and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with TikTok lead generation. Once we click on this connect with TikTok lead generation, Pabbly is asking me for some permissions. So what happens is that over here, if you have already logged in your TikTok for business account before starting with the automation, then it is okay. And if you haven't, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and then only you're going to get this option to give all of these permissions. So once you get this option to give all of these permissions, just click on this confirm and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. And after you give the Pabbly permissions, your TikTok account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you have to select the advertiser ID and the form ID right over here. So this is the form for which I want to create this automation, so I've selected the same. After doing this, just make sure that you select the response format as advanced and click on this save and send test request. Once you click on the save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So yes, now you have two options. The first option is you can wait until you receive a real lead in real time, and the second option is that if you do not have a real lead coming in real time, you can generate a test lead yourself. And to generate the test lead and capture the trigger response in the lead generation app, you will have to make use of create test lead action in the next step. Read the documentation here if you want to learn how to do this. We have attached the video right over here, and as you can see that this is the video, you can refer to this. You just have to click on add new action step, select TikTok trigger, and for the event select create test lead and create a test lead. It is very easy. I've already created the test lead, so let's capture the details for the same right over here, and you can see that we have successfully captured this response. So where's the name, email and the phone number of our test lead. Now I'm just going to create this automation using the test lead details, and it is going to run perfectly fine for my real leads too. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for HubSpot CRM and select it. For the event, you have to select it as create a contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between HubSpot CRM and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with HubSpot CRM. Now you have these details right over here. So first of all, make sure that you've logged in a HubSpot CRM before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in. Then you have to choose a sub account and click on this choose account button, and your HubSpot CRM will be connected with Pabbly Connect. But make sure that you've logged in your applications before starting with the automation. After doing this one by one, we have to enter the details right over here, but it is asking for many details, and we only have to enter the details which we have of our lead, like this email address. So I'm just going to enter the email email address of my lead, but we are not going to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to map the details which I want to add as a new contact in HubSpot CRM. It is asking for many details. You only have to enter the details which are required or the details which you wish to add in your CRM. After mapping the details, you can just scroll and then click on this save and send test request. Once you click on this save and send test request, you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact in HubSpot CRM. So let's open a HubSpot CRM and you're going to see a new contact is added. Be it the name, be it the email or the phone number, the details are exactly the same which we entered during the test submission. And with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from TikTok, automatically a new contact, something like this, will be created in my HubSpot CRM. And all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. And if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. The discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.